Why Russia, China, and America are strategically drawn towards Greenland, a frozen island at the center of global power. Good evening. This is FBB. Tonight we turn our focus to Greenland, a land of ice, silence, and isolation that has unexpectedly emerged as one of the most strategic territories in modern geopolitics. While Greenland may appear distant from global conflict zones, its role in shaping future power equations between the United States, Russia, and China is becoming impossible to ignore. What is Greenland? Politically and geographically, Greenland is the world's largest island. Geographically, part of North America, politically a self-governing territory under the Kingdom of Denmark. Despite its vast size, its population is barely 56,000. What makes Greenland unique is not its population, but its location, resources, and changing environment. Greenland's strategic location in the Arctic. Greenland sits between North America and Europe, directly along the Arctic route that connect the Atlantic and the Arctic Oceans. This positioning places it at the heart of emerging Arctic shipping lanes and critical military corridors, making it a natural observation post for global power. The Geo Gap, a military choke point. One of Greenland's most strategic features is its position in the Geo Gap. Greenland, Iceland, United Kingdom. This corridor is vital for tracking submarines and aircraft and missile movement between Russia's Arctic bases and the Atlantic Ocean. Control or influence over this gap significantly affect global naval dominance. Climate change, the game changer. For decades, Greenland's thick ice shielded it from exploitation. However, rising global temperatures are rapidly melting Arctic ice, exposing land, coastlines, and resources that were previously inaccessible. Climate change has transformed Greenland from an isolated ice mass into a geopolitical opportunity. Atmospheric changes and new shipping routes. As Arctic ice retreats, new sea routes such as the Northern Sea Route and Trans-Arctic passages are becoming navigable for longer periods. These routes significantly reduce travel time between Asia, Europe, and North America, reshaping global trade logistics. Greenland sits directly along these emerging pathways. Greenland's mineral wealth, a global magnet. Beneath Greenland's ice lies one of the world's most promising reserves of critical minerals, including rare earth elements, lithium, uranium, zinc, and iron ore. These minerals are essential for modern technologies, electric vehicles, wind turbines, semiconductors, missiles, satellites, and defense systems. Rare earth elements, the real treasure. Rare earth elements are not rare, but they are difficult to extract and process. Currently, global supply chains are heavily dependent on China. Greenland offers an alternative source, making it strategically attractive to countries seeking independence from Chinese dominance. The United States' interest, security first. The United States views Greenland primarily through a national security lens. The US operates the Pituffik Space Base, which plays a key role in missile warning systems, space surveillance, and Arctic defense from Washington's perspective. Greenland is critical to homeland defense against long-range threats. Why annexation entered US discourse? Unlike Russia and China, the US has openly discussed acquiring Greenland. This idea is driven by concerns that foreign economic or military influence could compromise Arctic security and missile detection systems. For the US, Greenland represents strategic certainty in an increasingly unstable world. Let's talk about Russia's Arctic strategy. Russia controls the longest Arctic coastline and has heavily militarized the region with air bases, ports, and nuclear-capable submarines. While Russia does not claim Greenland, it sees the island as a key factor in maintaining balance of power in the Arctic, especially against NATO expansion. Russia and the melting Arctic. Melting ice benefits Russia by opening year-round navigation routes along its northern coast. However, increased US and NATO presence in Greenland threatens Russia's strategic depth in the Arctic, making Greenland a silent pressure point in global rivalry. China, a near-Arctic power. China has no Arctic territory, yet it calls itself a near-Arctic state. Its interest lies in long-term access to minerals, shipping routes, and scientific data. China views Greenland as a part of its broader global economic and strategic expansion. China's economic approach to Greenland. Unlike military involvement, China has pursued influence through investments, research missions, and mining proposals. Several Chinese-linked companies have shown interest in Greenland's rare earth and uranium deposits, raising security concerns amongst the Western nations. Why atmospheric science matters? Greenland's ice sheet plays a major role in regulating global climate patterns and sea level. Control over research data, atmospheric monitoring, and climate modeling in Greenland provides strategic advantages in forecasting and disaster planning. Greenland and global sea level. Melting of Greenland's ice sheet directly affects global sea levels, threatening coastal cities worldwide. This makes Greenland not only a strategic asset but a focal point in the global climate diplomacy and future negotiations. NATO, Denmark, and sovereignty. Denmark and Greenland firmly oppose any form of annexation or external control without consent. NATO's current focus is on preventing rival powers from gaining influence rather than redrawing borders. The Greenlandic perspective. Many Greenlanders prioritize environmental protection, indigenous rights, and self-determination. There's a growing resistance to unchecked mining and foreign exploitation, even when it promises economic growth. So why superpowers are attracted? Greenland represents a rare convergence of strategic military location, critical mineral reserves, climate-driven accessibility, control over emerging trade routes. Few places on Earth combine all four. What this means for the future? Greenland is unlikely to be annexed in the near future. However, competition for influence, investment, and strategic presence will intensify as the Arctic continues to open up. Greenland's importance is no longer hypothetical. As climate change reshapes geography, the island has become a focal point in the evolving struggle between global powers. The contest over Greenland is not about land alone. It is about resources, security, climate control, and the future balance of power. For more in-depth, factual, and unbiased coverage of global geopolitics, climate strategy, and power shifts shaping our world, subscribe to FBB. Like this video and turn on your notifications. Stay informed, stay aware. This is FBB Daily.